Hey there, this is Sudeep from Makeovers. Let's talk today about the low volume injection molding, the most intelligent and efficient way to manufacture low quantities with an exceptional standard. Why is it so effective? So, first, the cost effectiveness. Reduce tooling cost through alternatives such as soft tooling, aluminum, or 3D printing molds. Saves a lot of money without compromising the quality and the excellence of the parts. Second, lead time. Parts and prototypes can be made in days, allowing the end customer to iterate faster and launch the product sooner. Number three, flexible production. Change designs between batches easily. This is ideal for testing materials or improving features. Number one, precision. High accuracy, exact colors, and material consistency. Second would be the complex parts. Perfect for parts utilizing multiple materials such as soft touch grips or dual material designs. The third would be production quality prototypes, essential for automotive and medical testing, delivering parts that match real world performance. For even greater flexibility, urethane casting is another great option. It's ideal for prototypes and bridge production, offering the ability to produce highly detailed functional parts in small batches without the need of hard tooling. Hybrid tooling. Combining 3D printing and injection molding can also help reduce costs and lead times, making it perfect for complex designs that need rapid iterations. The three key factors for success. Choose the right material for the strength or heat resistance. Then select the right mold type, soft, hybrid, or standard. Finally, optimize your design to reduce costs and speed up production. So now the question is, what Makeovers has to do with injection molding? Everything. We simplify low volume production with expert support, rapid delivery, and a trusted and efficient supply chain. Whether you need 100 parts or 1000, we have got you covered. Partner with us and bring your designs to life faster, smarter, and hassle free.